All right, here to check out some William Ryan models. It's called the Dusty Boots Tour. They are not completed yet, but they're still building. As you can see when we go inside, they will have no sheetrock. It'll just all be framed in cement. So let's go check it out. We have this first model here. The second one. This is called the Charlotte. And this is also going to be the Charlotte. One of these will be their dedicated design center. And this will be a floor plan or a model. These are both, each of these can have a second floor in them. One of these will be a 2-story, one of them a 1-story. And over here we have 2 more. This is a 1-story. This is called the Sweetwater Craftsman. This is going to be a 2-story called the Sebring French Country. So this is a 40-foot wide home. This is a 50-foot wide home. And the 2 Charlottes at the end, I'll have to double check, they're either a 50 or a 60-foot wide home. We're at the William Ryan at Sweetwater. Here's their front porch. You walk in and get a linen closet, 2 bedrooms, full bathroom. Back into the hallway and you get a large kitchen and great room.
So the 50-foot lots are the purple ones.
I think this is what we needed to know. Do you have menus?
And this goes out to the garage. This is kind of like a washer dryer area, laundry room right here. And then the garage is right there. This will be a drop zone, kind of like put your shoes and coat. Over here is the breakfast area. And pantry. This is going to be a large island.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, that would be great. And then, are you in the office on Wednesday?
Over here is a dining room, but you can also have it be a den if you want. Have a large window. Large open area right there. Everything is arched. Here's your great room or your living room area. 11-foot, 4-inch ceiling. There's a view of the kitchen. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. This is the 4th bedroom. This is the bathroom right here. This can also be a pool bathroom because it comes right off from the back of the lanai. So we have a full shower here, sink and toilet. This is the covered lanai area. You can also have an option to make the master come out 3 to 6 feet. We'll walk into the master next. Come back through here for the living room. And this is the master suite, the owner's suite. So that can come out 3 to 6 feet to where it's flush with the lanai right here, and you can have its own back door if you extend it to the whole lanai to where the master suite can have a door to the outside.
That's fine. That's fine. I mean, I can.
More arch ceilings. We got a closet here. Walk-in closet. Double vanity. walk-in shower, and private toilet room. So that is the Sweetwater for William Ryan at the sanctuary. And they're going to have a ton of amenities here. Here's their master series. There's again 5 different models in this series. This is their 60-foot wide home series. This is the only series that offers a 3-car garage. These can be anywhere from a 1-story or 2-story, 3 to 5 bedrooms with flex and bonus rooms, ranging from $479,990 to $602,990. These come on, of course, wider lots since the home is wider. So the lot elevations, or excuse me, the lot premium is anywhere from $20,000 to $80,000. These are their master series luxury inclusions. Everything from interior finish, electrical structure, low maintenance, landscaping, energy efficiency, quality construction, elegant kitchen, quality building system. It comes with a My Home 24/7 homeowner website and a personalize your home. And I have all of the interior and exterior elevations and the different colors and styles. They have the Craftsman style, West Indies, and they even have a farmhouse elevation. Here is their classic series. These are the 50-foot wide homes, and they range from $384,990 to $514,990. All different variations of 3 or 4 bedrooms, 1 or 2-story, and these are all 2-car garages. These are all their classic series luxury inclusions, and these are their lot prices. Their lot prices range from $15,000 to $65,000. And I have all their floor plans and exteriors for these 5 models for this 50-foot series. Here's their traditional series, 5 floor plans for the 40-foot wide homes. We can have a 1-story or 2-story. These are all 2-car garage. They range from $339,990 to $432,990. And their lot prices range from $10,000 to $35,000. Here is all of their traditional series luxury inclusions, and I have floor plans of all the interior and exterior elevations for these 5 floor plans in this 40-foot series. Here's some examples of their composition roof shingles and some exterior paint colors. Depending on which elevation you get, you may get some stone on your exterior of your home. Let's check out the map of the sanctuary. The area in red is where all of the amenities will be held. These amenities include a resort-style swimming pool, lots of paved areas, great umbrellas and places to sit. As you can see, it goes pretty far back with a playground and a splash pad. This large building here is just going to be a big open area inside for people to come and hang out, bring your own chairs and tables. We will have grills, and we will even have fire pits with lots of seating. And we'll even have bocce ball courts with cute little covered pavilions and lights. So if you're a bocce ball player, this is a great place for you. We'll even have a little area with an exercise equipment for people to stretch right before a run. And as you can see, beautiful lush landscaping and a mini splash pad. That is an area of fountains for the kids to get wet, and a huge playground with multiple swings and slides. Look at this huge, large grass area. This is where food trucks will come and for kids to just hang out and play on this grass space. And this is the front of the amenity place where you can come and pick up your mail on the outside of it.